Google is gearing up to launch its highly anticipated Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro smartphones this week, and this isn't just another upgrade. It's a bold step forward in redefining what smartphones can do, especially in the age of artificial intelligence. Magnifying glass tilted left, a powerful lineup: Pixel 10 Pro, XL and Fold. The Pixel 10 Pro family includes three standout models: Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Each device is expected to bring cutting-edge hardware and software enhancements, with AI and machine learning at the heart of the experience. Gear Tensor G5 chip, a major leap in performance. Google's shift from Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips to its own Tensor processors began with the Pixel 6. These chips prioritized AI capabilities over raw performance, and that strategy is paying off. Now, with the Pixel 10, Google is making a major change. The new Tensor G5 chip will be fabricated by TSMC instead of Samsung. This move promises better efficiency, improved thermal management, and a noticeable boost in overall performance. Robot face: the AI advantage, smarter than ever. Google called the Pixel 8 the first AI smartphone, but Pixel 10 is taking things to the next level. Expect smarter tools, faster on-device processing, and new AI models like Gemma 3N, a lightweight architecture designed to run locally on your phone. This means real-time photo editing, predictive text, voice assistance, and more, all powered by AI without relying on the cloud. Mobile phone with Aero Android 16 plus new AI apps. Pixel 10 will launch alongside Android 16, bringing a fresh wave of AI-powered apps. Google's goal is clear: make advanced technology simple and intuitive for everyday users. Cloud services and subscriptions. Back when Pixel 9 Pro launched, Google offered a free 12-month subscription to Google AI Pro, which included access to Gemini, Deep Search, Notebook LM, and 2 terabytes of cloud storage. Now, with Pixel 10, Google might bring back that offer, and it could be a game changer. Giving users free access to premium AI tools helps normalize their use and deepens engagement with Google's ecosystem. Rocket final thoughts. The Pixel 10 series isn't just about specs, it's about vision. With a new chip, smarter AI, and a bold cloud strategy, Google is setting the stage for the next era of smartphones. Which Pixel 10 model are you most excited about, the Pro, XL, or Fold? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you'd like a matching YouTube script, thumbnail idea, or Instagram caption, I've got you covered. Movie camera with flash.